Right, don't know if you can see this, but my dad owns a BMW Z4. This thing here, not this. This is Reese. You've met him before. So it needs a service. So we're gonna do it, aren't we, Reese?
Yep.
Are you okay?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, let's have it.
Yep.
You dropping stuff over there?
I don't know what any. Why have you got a Bible?
Why have we got a Bible?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know.
That's an electrical tester.
Looks like a Bible.
Well, you've... With all these holy Hondas you keep bringing me. I like how you put that on
up there. I think that's the gearbox or something on there.
It should only twist like 90 degrees, I think.
No, twisted all the way out.
What size do you want?
19, I reckon, or 21.
We'll find out. 19?
Oh, 17. I'm not very good with my sizes. That's why I think my penis looks massive. Are you sure it's this one, yeah? Just before
I've got no idea, I can't see.
I'm just going to try and hope for the best. I think it's that one.
That's the gearbox oil.
Please don't pull me, please don't pull me, please don't pull me, please don't pull all over me.
I'm more concerned with the flap that you're getting everywhere.
It's not my fault he's flapping all over the gaff.
Just let it hang naturally.
I ain't touching it.
There we go.
I gotta see, you know, I can't see now, I'm just going in blind. This is boring, isn't it? Look how long it is.
It's really funny if it's the wrong one. Not bad.
Oh, this one doesn't smell like poo like the rest of them do.
It doesn't.
No.
Oh. Might be the wrong oil then.
It smells like... No, it smells nice.
Do one of these, Mr. Beddoe.
Can you pass me your torch? I can look at things while I'm there.
Yeah, do you know what you're looking at?
No, but I know what looks bad.
Oh, right, okay. Let me pass you another torch.
Yeah, go on then. Oh, we've got mega long drop links on this as well.
You'll find that it's just yours are dead short.
So I noticed. Oh, that oil's a bit stinky now.
The oil's a bit stinky now.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Oh, good news, I've got a socket that's big enough for that.
The joint on this exhaust here is one poke away from not being a joint anymore.
It's a good job he doesn't kick its head in anywhere.
Yeah, it's good.
Right, I wonder if I open the oil cap, if that's going to help any oil come out of it. Jesus.
Put the opposite end of a hoover on it and blow it out.
Oil cap's open.
Ow.
What, your head on?
Dead.
You're dying.
Don't my head off the jack. almost done already. Lovely. Good things. I like to find broken things now so that we can fix them. Is that you? Is that a mouse on a motorbike?
There's a duck down here somewhere.
That's a bush right there, isn't it? Yeah.
Don't know what you've just pointed at, but okay.
Looks fine. Well, that's the most random work done to cars. Like, that's obviously a new drop in it, look. That bush looks fine. Fine. Some things. The carburetor. The carburetor's not looking too good up there.
Do you remember doing Aaron Aaron's? Yes, you do.
It's not going to get the back of it though.
That's alright. It might not do it because it's
Is it?
yeah, go on. 25 newton meters. Same as normal. Did that feel like 25? Because it looked like about 60. If you do it over here, it's on camera. So, new O-rings. What's up?
Nothing.
Did you get stabbed in the hand by that?
Yeah.
It'd be really funny if it clicked out at 25 before it sated itself at the bottom.
You'd be pretty sad.
I wouldn't, I'd overtalk it.
That's how you twist them inside, like Aaron Aaron's.
Air filter then. I love just shouting the challenges at you.
It's not a challenge. I'm a master engineer, did you not know?
I'd heard, but I'm yet to see it.
Yeah, you'll see it soon. Oh! Whoever put that in, it looks new.
Can you show that to the camera? Because it looks like it's been squashed in.
It has been squashed in. It was more like this.
Show them the side view, because that really shows it.
Here's one I prepared earlier. It's almost like it's got a nice housing that it can go into.
Yeah. Oh, there's multiple clips on that. That's very nice.
And they're there, which is...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what? That service, much more boring than I was expecting.
Yeah, it was way easier than I expected.
Yeah. Right, the first task of this car was to get it here. My dad had to put a spare battery in the car and put jump leads to it because the battery was flat. Normally it lives on trickle charge, so this is the situation we've got going on here at the minute. So to get it in the garage after he dropped it off, I've had to put jump leads between the spare battery that he's got for some reason and this. So the battery has been on charge since about 2 o'clock. Hmm, 12 volts. Oh, back down to 11.9. Well, hold on a minute. He only put this battery in about 6 months ago, and he bought it off eBay. Whoa. So I'm going to leave that on charge overnight, and I'll drop it back in tomorrow morning. You do not need to see me wrestling with this bracket here, and this little pipe to get the battery back in there. It's a little bit awkward because BMW decided to put this monstrosity of a battery connector in, but you know, it goes in, it fits.
That's blinding.
I'm blind.
There you go.
Put it on the floor.
This looks different size.
It does, but the centrepiece is the important thing.
Where's my bolt? We've got a new bolt.
No.
Is it under my bum?
Yeah, it is. It's directly underneath you. I can see it.
Okay.
I really enjoy watching you wiggle round under here. It's funny, isn't it?
There we go. How tight? Touch hand tight. That's hand tight.
Can you give me a singular blue knuckle?
What?
I normally have white knuckles, but you've got blue gloves on, so give me a blue knuckle.
What do you mean?
Just a little bit more. Yeah, that'll do. You got the screwdriver still?
Yeah.
Come on then. Do that back up. Put his flap back up.
I love flaps. It's a bit
Does that
rusty.
even do anything?
Yeah, it's rusty.
Oh, yeah, that.
There we go.
So the game we're going to play is how good are you at pouring?
Really good.
Go on then.
I've never missed a beat.
And do you know what? I'm even. Hang on, let me angle this so I can properly get in there.
I've never missed a beat. If I miss though, it's on you, not me. Because it's going to go everywhere.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you're cleaning it.
But you're like, I've never missed one. I don't miss.
I am like, they call me Reese the hero.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh,
We didn't see that bit. We didn't see that bit.
oh God, I enjoyed
See
that.
that? See that? Look, I told you. Don't miss.
I'm not going to. There's only a litre and a
Don't
half
miss.
in it.
If you do miss only a litre and a half, you're really bad. Oh, it's close that was.
There was no way I was missing that.
Oh, panic then, didn't you?
I can't even really see. Never mind. Like I can barely reach. Never
Try
mind.
growing a little bit. Grow up.
Grow up. Really annoyingly, we can't really check
For ages. Till tomorrow.
that until, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the oil cap back on.
Easiest,
I can't twist that with my left hand.
easiest service ever.